Amidst rising prices of energy, food, and housing costs, the status of inflation has quickly gone from transitory to something with no immediate end in sight. In a recent post via his Twitter account, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has made some important revelations to his almost 78 million followers. While talking about the present situation with inflation, Musk advises his followers to ditch the US dollars and instead focus on owning physicals. Own physical things like a home or stock in companies you think make good products than dollars when inflation is high. The world's richest man also discloses that he owns Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, and he is not willing to sell them. This video examines Elon Musk's latest tweets and replies from notable crypto community members like Michael Saylor. Please watch, like, comment, and share. Enjoy the video. Elon Musk needs no introduction. According to Investopedia, with a net worth of over $223 billion, the 50-year-old is currently the richest person in the world. In a recent tweet, Musk asks his almost 80 million Twitter users to give their thoughts about the probable inflation rate over the next few years. In a follow-up tweet, Musk gives the reason for his first request. He writes, Tesla and SpaceX are seeing significant recent inflation pressure in raw materials and logistics, and we are not alone. To his final tweet, he links a Financial Times article with a headline, Commodity prices soar to highest levels since 2008 over Russia supply fears. The article warns that global commodity prices are on track for the biggest weekly rally in more than 50 years, and Europe's natural gas prices have hit a new record as the war in Ukraine triggers exceptional moves in raw materials from oil to wheat. As expected, Musk's tweet caught the attention of many Twitter users, including Michael Saylor, the CEO and co-founder of MicroStrategy and a well-known Bitcoin bull. Here is Saylor's reply to Musk's initial question. USD consumer inflation will continue near all-time highs and asset inflation will run at double the rate of consumer inflation. Weaker currencies will collapse, and the flight of capital from cash, debt, and value stocks to scarce property like Bitcoin will intensify. As you must have thought when you heard Saylor's reply, Musk also thought the response highly predictable from Michael Saylor, who has quite a lot to gain if the price of the digital asset skyrockets. The entrepreneur and business executive personally owns almost 18,000 Bitcoin, while his business analytics firm holds over 125,000 Bitcoin. Here is Musk's reply to Saylor's tweet. It is not entirely unpredictable that you would reach that conclusion. In a follow-up tweet to the reply, the SpaceX and Tesla boss writes, as a general principle, for those looking for advice from this thread, it is generally better to own physical things like a home or stock in companies you think make good products than dollars when inflation is high. I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Doge, he adds, clarifying his stance on holding cryptocurrencies during a period of high inflation. Cameron Winklevoss, co-founder of Winklevoss Capital Management and cryptocurrency exchange Gemini, also tweeted a reply to Musk's initial tweet. His response reads, feels like the United States is heading toward double-digit inflation. According to reports, the Federal Reserve is set to hike interest rates on Wednesday, even though it is not completely clear how the situation with Russia will affect the U.S. economy. However, Fed policymakers are choosing to go slower than earlier stated. Any sudden and stringent measures could very well send the economy into a recession. 2 weeks ago, Chairman Jerome Powell said he prefers a 25 basis point hike, which policymakers might decide to proceed with on Wednesday. But experts expect more interest rate hikes in the coming months, especially when the extent of the damage caused by the Russia-Ukraine war becomes clearer. For now, investors seem to be weighing the situation carefully. Last year, such a tweet from Elon Musk would have sent the crypto market into a big frenzy, but everything is obviously different now. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and drop your comments in the comment section below.